Hey guys, I'm Aly from Brighton Ford. I am one of our Bronco specialists, and today I'm going to show you how to take the hardtop off of your Bronco. So what you're going to do is roll down your windows, you're going to flip down your visor, and you're going to have a clamp and 3 L-shaped clamps that you're going to go ahead and release. And all you're going to do is pop it off. You're going to want to start with the driver's side first and then move over to the passenger door. And same concept as the front 2 panels with the back, but the back panel is one single panel, so you're going to want to have a friend help you with this. What you're going to do is you're going to want to lift this up and walk it back. So that's what me and Antonio are going to do. To remove the back cap, what you're going to want to do is grab your Bronco toolkit that you do get with your Bronco. What we're going to do is pop the 4 screws off on each side, and make sure you don't forget about your defroster and your washer fluid ports. And then we're going to pop the top off, and again, you're going to want to grab a buddy for this. And don't forget to remove the 2 screws on the top as well. Make sure the glass is up on the Bronco. You're going to want to pick it up and walk it back. All right, now once you have the top off, you're completely good to hit the road. Now, if you want to put everything back on, you basically do it in reverse order. You're going to start with the cap, you're going to screw everything down, you're going to then go to the middle panel. You'll want to do the passenger panel and then the driver panel and then secure everything down. As always, if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-NEW-FORD.